Guys, stop what you are doing. Forget everything you think you know about desktop replacements. Today, we aren't just looking at a gaming laptop. We are looking at a mobile workstation powerhouse that honestly shouldn't even be legal. This is the ASUS TUF Gaming A18. But this isn't your standard configuration. The specs inside this machine are absolutely insane. We're talking about a CPU that eats Core i9s for breakfast, unreleased GPU architecture, and enough RAM and storage to run a small server. If you are a pro gamer, a 4K video editor, or a creative professional tired of being tied to a desk, you need to see this. Disclaimer: the link down in the description below is an Amazon affiliate link. If you decide to pick this beast up to handle your workflow, it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Now, let's look at the specs that blew my mind. First off, the sheer size. This is an 18-inch chassis. As you can see here, it absolutely dominates the desk space, but ASUS has managed to keep the bezels thin, so you're getting maximum screen real estate without carrying a literal suitcase. The aesthetic is classic TUF Gaming, rugged, utilitarian, and built like a tank. The lid has that sleek, subtle TUF logo. It doesn't scream RGB gamer too loudly when closed, which I appreciate for professional environments. Flip it over, and you see massive intake vents. You need serious airflow for the components inside this thing, and ASUS didn't skimp on the cooling design. It feels solid, durable, and ready for the road. On the left side, you are loaded. You've got your power port, Ethernet for low-ping gaming, HDMI for an external monitor, and crucially, Thunderbolt 4 support alongside USB-C. This is massive for creators needing fast external drive speeds or docking stations. On the right, you've got an extra USB-A port for your mouse or dongles. It's a complete I/O setup. No dongle life required here. Okay, let's get to the meat and potatoes. Why am I hype about this specific unit? Let's look at the spec sheet that you guys sent over. First, the brain, the AMD Ryzen 7 2600. Now, benchmarks are showing this thing absolutely crushing high-end competitors, even beating out the mighty Intel Core i9-13905H in multi-core workloads. For rendering videos or CPU-intensive strategy games, this is a monster. Next, the graphics, the NVIDIA RTX 5060. We are talking next-gen architecture here. DLSS support, advanced ray tracing. This card is designed to push high frames at high resolutions for years to come. Just look at it running Cyberpunk here. The lighting is incredible, the frame rates are buttery smooth, it handles AAA titles without breaking a sweat. But wait, here's where it gets ridiculous. This configuration comes with 64 gigabytes of RAM. 64! Most desktops don't have that. You can open Premiere Pro, After Effects, 50 Chrome tabs, and a game simultaneously, and it won't even stutter. And for storage, a massive 4 terabyte SSD. That is an insane amount of fast storage. You can keep your entire Steam library and terabytes of 4K raw video footage directly on the laptop. No more external SSDs hanging off the side. All that power drives a gorgeous 18-inch WUXGA display. The extra vertical height is amazing for productivity timelines in video editing software, and in gaming, it just feels incredibly immersive. The keyboard is full-sized, RGB backlit, of course, with the number pad, essential for Blender work or just data entry. The trackpad is also massive. Another crucial feature for creators in 2024, it includes a proper FHD camera. Finally, no more grainy 720p webcams for your Zoom calls or game streaming. So, who is this specific ASUS TUF A18 for? If you're just playing Fortnite casually, this is complete overkill. Do not buy this. But if you're a serious creative professional who needs render power on the go, if you're a hardcore gamer who wants a future-proof machine that replaces a bulky desktop tower, this is it. The combination of that Ryzen 7 2660, the RTX 5060, and the absolutely absurd 64GB RAM 4TB storage combo makes this one of the most capable portable machines I've ever seen. It's an investment in your workflow. CTA. If you want to check out the current pricing and availability on this exact beast configuration, check that Amazon link right below the like button. If you enjoyed this deep dive into extreme tech, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments what you would do with 64 gigabytes of RAM in a laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.